So now we're going to divide using short division and write our remainder as a decimal. So first we have 9,184 divided by 5. 9 divided by 5 is 1 remainder 4. 41 divided by 5 is 8 remainder 1. 18 divided by 5 is 3 remainder 3. And 34 divided by 5 is 6 remainder 4. But to write our remainder 4, what we're going to do is extend our dividend with a point 0 and copy the decimal point up into our answer. We can do that because 9,184.0 is the same as 9,184. Putting point 0 on the end of a whole number doesn't change the number, but now we can write our remainder 4 in front of the 0 that's now in our tenths. So 40 divided by 5 is 8, so our answer is 1,836.8. Now we have 3,362 divided by 4. 3 is less than 4, so we can either write 0 remainder 3, or we can just take the first two digits together. 33 divided by 4 is 8 remainder 1. 16 divided by 4 is exactly 4 with no remainder, but 2 divided by 4 is 0 remainder 2. So we need to extend with a point 0, copy up the decimal point and write the remainder in front of our tenths digit. Now 20 divided by 4 is 5, so our answer is 840.5. Finally, we have 3,079 divided by 2. 3 divided by 2 is 1 remainder 1. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 7 divided by 2 is 3 remainder 1. And 19 divided by 2 is 9 remainder 1. So we extend with a point 0, copy up the decimal point, and now we have a digit, the tenths digit, to write the remainder 1 in front of. So finally, 10 divided by 2 is 5, which means our answer is 1,539.5. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.